Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to link your bank to Coinbase. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of security when it comes to your finances. Coinbase is a very secure platform, but it's still important to be aware of the risks involved when linking your bank account. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's get started. How to link your bank to Coinbase. There are two ways to link your bank to Coinbase. SEPA transfer, this is the most common method. To use SEPA transfer, you will need to provide Coinbase with your bank account number, IBAN number, and BIC code. Once you have provided this information, Coinbase will initiate a transfer to your bank account. The transfer will usually take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Wire transfer, this is a more expensive method, but it is also faster. To use wire transfer, you will need to provide Coinbase with your bank account number, SWIFT code, and the name of your bank. Once you have provided this information, Coinbase will initiate a wire transfer to your bank account. The transfer will usually take 1 to 2 business days to complete. Once you have linked your bank to Coinbase, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Here are some additional tips for linking your bank to Coinbase. Be sure to use a secure internet connection when linking your bank to Coinbase. Do not share your bank account information with anyone else. Be aware of the fees associated with linking your bank to Coinbase. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.